What's going on, everyone? It's the one and only Mikey Pipes. That's me. That's me. Hope everyone is well. Thank you for all your support. We just hit 6,000 subscribers, and I felt just I'm just blown away. We have grown so much over the past year, 8 to 12 months, even with this whole China virus thing going on. I hope everyone is safe and healthy, and I hope everyone is just masking up. Anyway, I wanted to make a quick little video on this awesome thing that I got from Toto, by the way, and it's a portable washlet. For all you guys who know, I love Toto. I love their washlet seat. When I went to Japan a few years ago, Toto was everywhere, because they believe in cleanliness. And by the way, that's a real yacht. This is not a backdrop. You see? It's real. It's real. It's a real yacht. And I am on a real U.S. Virgin Island on vacation. And yes, I wear the gold. Mikey Pipes wears gold. So stay tuned. Let me show you something crazy. All right. Before we get started, though, I want to give a special shout out to my 26 percenters. 26% of the viewers on this channel, Mikey Pipes, are subscribers. So if you haven't done so already, please take a split second, and hit that subscribe button. And if you want post notifications, hit that alarm bell. I'd really appreciate it. It really helps support the channel. Thank you. God bless. All right. So let's talk about this cool and little nifty thing by Toto. You don't have to stay at the Taj Mahal, the St. Regis, or the Four Seasons to have and maintain exceptional personal hygiene. This thing looks like a cool little thing, right? It's all in Japanese, right? That's up and down, or up and down. This thing's pretty cool. Let me show you. One-handed Mikey Pipes. By the way, I'm thinking about changing the channel name to Mikey Pipes. So you slide this thing open, right? Again, one-handed Mike is trying to do all this by himself. Boom. All right, so now it's open, right? Toto. This upper portion is the reservoir. And you flip open the top, like that. And you fill it with water. It holds not that much water, but enough to get the business done, get the job done, right? And then, on the top part, you have a button. Now, I don't know if that says on or off, or power, but this thing is pretty cool. And you lift this thing up, and there you have it. You have a little adjustment if you want like more or less, I guess front and back, or back, front, whatever you want to call it. And you push the button, you make it happen. And it cleans, it does its job. It cleans. And voila, it comes in a nice little travel case. It's good stuff. So let's talk about the specifics. All right, so only appropriate talking about this thing in front of a toilet. You know, with it empty, it weighs less than half a pound. Technically 0.55 pounds. The water flow, a fraction of a gallon per second. The battery, there's one AA battery. It's good for about 50 washings, and at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, this thing is really pretty cool. I've had this thing for about a year, and listen, you want to maintain personal hygiene while traveling, this is how you do it. That makes it appropriate, you know, for both men and women. You know, you have soft and hard. Right? Women, children, and especially those with limited mobility may find it especially helpful. And anyone at any age literally can use this and maintain personal hygiene, especially when you're traveling. Especially if you're used to, having the washlet, which, comes out of there, in a way, kind of, and you push the button, and it fixes the water, and it's very easy. Let me show you how to fill it. Try to do this one-handed, and I'm not really that great at doing things one-handed, except, doing plumbing. So I'm gonna lift up the top, and we're gonna fill it with water, right? Just like that. And it's waterproof, it's all good, right? We'll close the top, and now it's ready to go, right? You lift up this, and we'll bring it over there, and we'll do it in the shower area, but look at this thing go. Look at it. And you'll get 15, 20 seconds out of this thing. If you need more than 15, 20 seconds with this, well, you got some messy business to take care of, but it's not a big deal. You go off the toilet bowl, and you go back to the sink, and you fill it back up. One-handed Mike doing it again. I am Mikey Pipes after all. And you fill it back up with water. Just like that. Oh, no. Don't lose any water. Conserve water. And then you lift it back up. And then you can spritz again. Look at that. Just like in a toilet bowl. And it's also good if you need to clean off, some debris off the bowl. Like that. It's good. Like I said, I've had this for about a year. Before China, the whole the China virus, I went on a lot of trips, probably 4 or 5 a year. And this thing was a lifesaver, You know what I'm talking about. I'm trying to keep it real. This is a family-oriented channel, how-to channel, but it's pretty cool. And like I said, you don't have to be at the Four Seasons. You don't need to be at the St. Regis or the Ritz-Carlton. You could be at the Motel 6 and have and maintain great personal hygiene. So I'll put a link down in the description box down below. Amazon sells them. I picked this up for about $60. I think the retail price is about $170, $180, but don't pay retail. If you follow Mikey Pipes, you'll never pay retail again. But great innovation from Toto. Amazing. And like I said, when I was in Japan, I was blown away by a washlet on the airline. I flew on ANA from JFK to Narita for a guy's ski trip, and at the hotel, even on the subway, they had in the bathrooms, washlet seats. Toto. Crazy. And I was in Japan, and I told you guys this, my previous 26%ers. By the way, we're 0.1% from having 26%ers. Love you guys. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button down below to help support the channel, and we'll really show your love for Mikey Pipes as I strive to produce more great and amazing content for the community. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Notification bell, thoughts, feedback, comments, criticism down in the comment section down below. And like I was saying, I was skiing in Japan. It's all over Japan. They're smart people. They're really smart. So if you want to maintain personal hygiene while you travel, look no further. Get the Toto Personal Washlet. There's a link down in the description box down below. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy. God bless. Be well. Be safe. Mikey Pipes signing off.